Basically, what could happen is that you could be denied a discharge. And what that means is that you don't get the benefit of your bankruptcy filing. You have to do something really wrong for this to happen. But sometimes that really wrong thing happens inadvertently because you didn't have proper representation. The fact is, if you had a business at one time and it's not operational and you fail to disclose it, that can be a basis for an investigation. Some people don't disclose assets because they think that they shouldn't have to, or because they jointly own it with someone else and they don't really feel like they have a right to it, but legally they do, so they have to disclose it. There's a lot of different mistakes like that that can happen that you might not think are serious, but the federal government takes them very seriously. In fact, we've seen cases where people failed to disclose that they owned firearms, and those are traceable, and the federal government fines them. That's a basis for a denial of discharge. In addition to that, you can also just have specific debts that are denied in terms of a discharge. So when you have non-dischargeability for a specific debt, it's usually because there was fraud, misrepresentation, or some kind of willful and malicious injury to the other party. But those debts have to be proved individually on a case-by-case basis.